nothing like living a simple life. Something out those aches and pains from working on the farm.
Hey guys, it's Eric, owner of Far Point Farms here in the mountains, North Carolina. And today, this cold morning here in mountains, I'm going to be unboxing these two items here. This is another auger head and some bits, a bit kit for it. And the reason I got another auger head to go with the one that I already have is that the cost of both of these together was fair enough that I was like, hey, we could run two of these at the same time when we're putting in new fence posts this year. So that's what I did. So let's open up the auger itself first. And I've already cut the thing, but I haven't had it out of the box yet. Whoa. Okay, some assembly required, looks like. That's like a nice orange color here. Yeah, it looks pretty good. So it looks like you have to attach this part here, the little throttle control. We'll set that aside there. And it comes with some stuff. Looks like we got a set of gloves for it. Slightly smashed, but that'll pop back out. A little mixing bottle here, so we got to pour our oil in here, this side here, and then we can put our gas in there and mix the two together. It's amazing, like this much fuel actually lasts a really good long time in these things, because there's like a weed whacker engine, a little slightly larger than a weed whacker engine, but being that it's two-stroke, it's extremely fuel efficient. Looks like it comes with, oh, that's nice. Even included a funnel with it. And then we got our little tool set here for assembling it. And wow, yeah, it even came with zip ties. They really did fill this out pretty well. Even came with zip ties for attaching the the wiring here, so that's really nice. Okay, and the other half, the bigger half here, this I was looking forward to as well. Oh, cool, another set of gloves. So always nice to have gloves here on the farm. And we got a whole bunch of bits. Now let me go get a knife. That's nice. So this one here looks like a 3-inch maybe, and so the kit that I had got from Harbor Freight, or the auger that I got from Harbor Freight, I think it's called the Earthquake brand, it only comes with one. And so when I went looking for this to get a smaller one for doing smaller fence posts, it was like, a whole bunch of money just for one bit. So I came across this kit, or two kits really, and that's really what swayed me to buy it. The fact that you got three for the price of one. Yeah, wait till you see this one. Now that's a 12-inch, I believe, or 10-inch maybe. And I'll move the camera here to show all this when I get it unboxed. And then lastly, this one here is the size that I already have. Right. So while this is perfect for doing most 4x4 fence posts, or that size, round fence posts or 4x4 roughly, because you got whole room for that, and then to put concrete in there. This larger one here is for construction work. That's for pouring piers. Like if you were going to do deck work, installing decks, you're going to use a 6x6 and you're going to want a whole lot of concrete. So that's what I picked that up for, and that's pretty awesome. It's a nice addition. And then of course this one here is perfect for pounding in green stakes and get a head start on that, or just for smaller stuff, poles, So yeah, I'm looking forward to that. This would be perfect if you were a satellite installer, if you did like DirecTV or Starlink or any of those type of satellite systems. Then you were a professional installer. This would be perfect for a 1 1/4 inch pipe, and then you're going to pour your concrete down in there. So awesome. Well, let me go ahead and assemble this thing, and we'll start off with this one, and we'll dig a hole or two just to see how well it works. Now if you're interested in purchasing these, I'll leave the links down in the description below. Got them off of Amazon, and they got here like within a week, so it was pretty quick shipping. So yeah, let's do it. Alright, since you probably already know how to dig holes, I'll just demonstrate it one time. This is, I don't think I mentioned it while I was unboxing it, but the name brand of this and the bit kit, they both came from Anbull This is a 52cc unit. They do make a 48cc one. We thought about getting that, but I think the earthquake unit I have is a 48cc, so I figured maybe we'd try a little larger one to see if it helped with cutting, especially with this bigger auger. But the idea here is having 2 augers on site when we're doing a project like the one we're doing right now, is that maybe that'll help out. This, obviously, this 10-inch auger, this is better for planting trees. Think about it, 5-gallon bucket, and that's about the size that is. So I'm gonna dig it about maybe 1.5 feet. Now, it's the mountains, there's a lot of rock, so I'm not sure that this thing's gonna go that far in without hitting some, but you'll get the idea. As far as the design, hookup was just 1 screw, and I put some zip ties here. Here's our throttle, our on-off switch is there, so not a lot to it. There is a primer bulb right here. You go ahead and prime that. You have a choke here, and give it 1 shot here. Okay, then turn the choke off. Not bad. Let me set this aside, I'll show you the hole.
All right, one thing I'm noticing, you probably noticed too, this thing will rip itself right out of your arms, man, if it gets a hold of a root, a good sized root, which apparently it did somewhere down in there. It's about 1.5 feet, 2 feet deep, and it cut right through it. You can see all the roots it went through. So it's called a 2-person auger for a reason. Certainly my shoulder would be feeling a whole lot better right now if I had a second person to do this with. But she's down there working on her own projects this morning. Anyway, I guess that'll wrap it up. It certainly is powerful, it certainly works, and it certainly is a great alternative to the Harbor Freight kit, seeing as how the Harbor Freight kit, well, it would have cost more to buy both that and the bit kit. Anyway, that's it for today. I'm Eric, the owner of Farpoint Farms. Hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, perhaps you'll think about liking and subscribing. I'll see you next time. Take care.